Once upon a time, in the serene village of Meadowbrook, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was a curious soul with an insatiable love for nature. Her days were spent exploring the vibrant meadows, chasing butterflies, and befriending the creatures that called the meadow their home. One fine day, as Lily was out collecting wildflowers, she stumbled upon a peculiar sight, a tiny door nestled between the roots of an ancient oak tree. Curiosity piqued, she knelt down and pushed the door open, revealing a hidden passage that led into the tree's hollow. With a sense of excitement and wonder, Lily stepped through the door and found herself in a magical realm within the tree. The inside sparkled with fairy lights, and colorful mushrooms served as stools around a miniature wooden table. At the table sat a fairy named Amly, her wings shimmering like a rainbow. Amly greeted Lily with a cheerful smile, inviting her to join in a delightful tea party. Surrounded by laughter and joy, Lily and Amly shared stories of their adventures. Amly spoke of the wonders of the fairy kingdom, while Lily recounted her escapades in Meadowbrook. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Amly gifted Lily a tiny acorn pendant. "This will guide you back to our realm whenever you wish to visit," said Amly with a twinkle in her eye. From that day on, Lily would often visit the fairy realm, sharing tales and forming an unbreakable bond with Amly and the other whimsical creatures. Their friendship blossomed like the flowers in Meadowbrook, spreading happiness and magic throughout the village. Lily learned valuable lessons about friendship, kindness, and the beauty of embracing differences from her time spent with Amly and the fairies. And as she grew older, she carried the cherished memories of her magical